And then the other thing I want to announce here is probably the coolest one for me, is Intelligent Assist for VMware vDefend. This has been popular with some of you for a while, since we first aired it as Project Cypress, but now we're announcing GA. As you'll see in this quick demo, what this is natural language interaction with your security defenses. You'll see it identifies some kind of threat. You can then go into a query process with the Intelligent Assistant asking it, well, what is that? Can you explain to me a little bit more about how this could have happened? What can we do about that? What actually is this for? And then, are there ways to remediate this? And then when it tells you the options you've got to remediate this, you can say, well, actually, you can do this or that. You then say, go ahead and do it. So truly, turning you into that person with a superpower over your private cloud.